How to transfer money from Grab to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Grab to Gcash. To transfer money, all you need to do is follow these steps. First, log in to your Grab app. Check the remaining balance in your GrabPay wallet to ensure you have the necessary funds for the transfer. On the menu, you will have two options, transfer or cash in. For this transaction, choose transfer. Type the amount you will wire to another candidate, click on send to e-wallet. You will be redirected to the next page, where you have to choose a new e-wallet. From here, tap on select an e-wallet. Scroll down on the page and tap on Gcash. Fill in the details being asked, which includes the name and mobile number registered under Gcash. Then choose Save e-wallet. On the next page, type in the amount you want to transfer on the blank. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Confirm PHP. Enter your Grab PIN or password. You will receive an SMS indicating that the transfer process was successful. You can then verify both accounts if the amount in question is properly credited to the right account. As of the moment, there is no charge in transferring from GrabPay to Gcash wallet. Should you encounter any delay or issue in the transfer, contact the GrabPay Help Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.